Hello everybody, welcome back to Bella's Big Adventures. If you're new here, my name's Sue, and today we are taking our Hymer out of storage and going to get her valeted at long last. She is in an appalling state. I'm almost embarrassed to take her, to be honest, but I'm hoping that once it's done she'll look amazing. I'll just show you around the current state of affairs. So, as you can see, covered in tree bits, absolutely filthy, covered in bugs. But also, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but this has lost all its sheen. Sun damage, I think, from being parked out when we were in Slovakia. It is not looking its best, it has to be said. And this tree is not helping matters, to be fair. So if I do a before and after shot, you'll be able to see how good a job, hopefully, that is done on it. All the seals, as you can see, are black and it's in a sorry state, I'm afraid. We're taking it to a company called Motorhome Valet. So it's not just a clean, we're having a rejuvenation. They start with a standard package, which is cleaning everything and polishing. I think there are 3 phases. I will ask the guy when I get there, but we're having the top of the range version. But as you can see, we've got the dreaded streaks. We were parked under a tree last time we were on site. We've got the browny green streaks from dead leaves and rubbish upon the roof there. It is shocking. I am absolutely embarrassed. He does mobile as well as on his site, so he can come to your house, but obviously a van this size takes quite a while. I think he said it might take him as long as 11 hours. So the guy we're going to see is called Mitch at Motorhome Valley. He's on Facebook. If you're in the Cirencester, Swindon area, he covers quite a big range. Right, I'll see if I can get a view of the roof while I'm at it. I don't know if this is tall enough to see. I've got my pole, but hopefully that is giving you a view of the roof as well. If not, I will stick it through the window so you can get a better view of what's going on. Right, I'm in the van. I'm going to try and stick my pole through the skylight. Let's see what we're dealing with here. What can we see? Air conditioning unit. Yeah, lots of tree bits up there. Pretty mucky, I would say. Right, I'm looking through the bedroom window now. And actually, although it looks dreadful, it could be worse. It's mostly just bits off this tree that we're parked under, which we don't have any say in, to be honest. They allocate a parking spot. Solar panels covered in bits, which is not helping. But all that's going to be lovely and clean when we pick it up. So, good luck, Mitch. I've seen you do worse than this. Right, as you can see, she's in a bit of a state, but fingers crossed, it's going to look like a new van when we get her back. Okay, I'll see you when she's been done. Well, as you can see from these absolutely horrendous photographs that Mitch sent to me, it was dreadful. Yeah, once he wet it, it looked even worse, I think. It took him over 5 hours just to wash it. And in total, I think around almost 14 hours to wash and polish and scrub that black stuff off the seals. Right, well, today is collection day and I have come to get Hamish from Motorhome Valet. The guy who's done it is called Mitch. It's his own company and he's done an amazing job. I mean, the sun's shining, so it looks even better. But the roof was horrendous. He's done a great job cleaning it up. I'll put all the details to his company in the description below and I'll put on screen his email address. He's done a fabulous job, so give him a call if you can. Show him some support. Small business. So yeah, here she is. How amazing does she look? Took an hour apparently just to clean the rubber strip across the top. It's got all the colour off from around the vent. Shiny, shiny wheels. Let's have a look at the back. I don't think I showed you the back, but that was also covered in black stripes. And the The awning groove at the back was absolutely gross. She just looks amazing. Just like when we got her, to be honest. Nice and clean and bright and shiny. There we go. Doesn't she look lovely? How amazing is that? I think you'll agree he's done an absolutely amazing job. So if you agree, give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments for Mitch, let him know what a fabulous person he is and what a great job he's made of our van. And if you're in the area and you want to either mobile come to your house or come on site, let him know. I'll put his details in the description, as I said. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not check out one of these? If you haven't subscribed yet, why not hit that subscribe button and ding that bell for future notifications so that you don't miss any of Bella's big adventures.